Hello, welcome to Tricky IELTS. I'm sure you'll be flawless. This lecture is relevant to 29 June IELTS test. It is more than essential to stay here in order to get matchless information about your upcoming test. You have to practice as much as you can for the sake of your desired band. Do not ignore other topics, but collect more information relevant to these topics, which I'm going to share with you. Now it's your duty to study as much as you can for these topics. First, we'll go through listening. Listening, section 1 will be easy, so don't worry about that. You can score higher in section 1. Section 2 will be moderate, and in that case you'll have to practice on multiple choice questions as much as you can. Section 3 will be tricky, so you have to practice on section 3 as much as you can. And section 4 will be moderate. Section 3 will be relevant to like a scientific research, so you should just practice. And mostly you have to target in listening section multiple choice questions and table completion. These are the two types of questions which will irritate you a bit more. So practice on these two types of questions, means multiple choice questions and table completion. Reading passage 1 will be moderate, so you have to spend at least 20 minutes. Passage 2 will be easy, so there you will have to change the strategy and you will have to spend almost 15 minutes. Passage 3 will be difficult, so it's your duty to practice as much as you can on reading section and target questions which I'm going to share with you. Means you have to target true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given. Multiple choice questions, list of heading, and summary completion. These are the type of questions which are more important as compared to other topics. So you have to practice on these topics. These type of questions, you have to target these type of questions, and you have to practice as much as you can in order to score higher in the real IELTS test. So section 3 that will be a scientific passage will be there which will irritate you more. So it's your duty that in passage 1, whenever you are just reading passage 1 and passage 2, so you'll have to spend almost 15 minutes on passage 2 and 20 minutes on passage 1. So the rest means 25 minutes you have to spend on passage 3, because it will be a bit difficult, and these type of questions you have to practice more. It will help you to score higher in the real IELTS test. In writing task 1, there are chances of table, pie chart and line graph, but the chances of table are more as compared to pie chart and line graph. But these are the three areas where you have to practice and you have to target. Means you may get a table, you may get a pie chart, or you may get a line graph, or you may get two pie charts or one line graph, or you may get a table and pie chart, or a table or line graph. Task 2. So in task 2, there are three possible topics which you may get in the real IELTS exam. That means technology, environment, or government. Means so you have to learn words, phrases relevant to these topics. Like you have to learn at least 4 or 5 words, or even 10 words relevant to technology, 10 words relevant to environment, and 10 words relevant to government. So practice on these topics and learn various phrases relevant to these topics. If you find this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe my channel for more videos relevant to IELTS and grammar. Thank you for watching.